All right, I want to talk to you about another project management tool that we're going to be using throughout the course as you guys work through um, solving solving your problem. It's called a Gantt chart. What a Gantt chart is, it's a system that helps you understand the process and this and all of the steps within that process, and it assigns dates and times for different parts of um, the project to be completed. And so what I've done for you is I've created a Gantt chart to kind of give you an overview of the things that need to be completed. Um, so up here, you guys, when you come up with the problem you're going to solve or project title, you can go ahead and type that in. You can put in your team member names in this spot, and this gives you the start date and end date for this first part of the project that we're going to be working on. You can see here on the first column, we have the WBS. This is the work breakdown structure. All right, and so we have in the work breakdown structure, we have major categories. For instance, like the first one is problem statement, and then sub tasks that fit within that first problem statement category. Under the task lead column, you are going to type in as a team which team member is working on each task. So for instance, problem statement research, all 3 team members will probably be working on that. And so each one of these lines would have each team member's name. Problem statement development, that might be something you do as a group. And so maybe you would type in the whole team in for the task lead on that. At column D, we start to have the dates. And so you can see that on September 8th, we should be working on problem statement research. And that should be finished by September 9th. As soon as problem statement research is finished, you can start working on problem statement development, and that should really be completed by September 11th. If you go on down under the problem justification category, there's several different kinds of tasks that need to be completed, and those need to be completed between September 11th and September 17th. And so you can see that there could be some flexibility built in. Let's say our problem statement development doesn't get finished on the 11th and it gets finished on the 15th. Well, we could simply adjust this red row and make it go to the 15th. That's fine to do that. The issue is that we have a hard deadline on September 18th, and that's when element A of the portfolio has to be completed. And so you're going to want to use this system to accomplish all the tasks that you need to do. And you can use these dates as an example for how to complete that. And again, each team member will keep track of their responsibilities on the task lead section. And so this will be one document that the team will utilize. And so you'll have one document per team, and you will all have, editing access to be able to edit the document. And that's how we'll keep track of who should be taking care of each task within the project.